Not long, they heard the sound of God's footsteps as he was walking in the garden. God searched and called out to them, asking why they were hiding. Adam confessed that he had eaten the forbidden fruit because of Eve, while Eve started to blame her wrongdoing on the serpent. Hearing this, God was angered and saddened by their choice. God decided to punish the three of them. He cursed the serpent to walk on his belly for the rest of his life, and Eve to bear the great pain of childbearing. As for Adam, he had to work in sorrow and sweat to provide for his family until his death. They can no longer consume the fruit of the tree of life and live forever, since they knew good and evil. Then, God expelled Adam and Eve from the garden and commanded his angels to guard the garden. As for the tree